What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick little unboxing and shooting video for you today. We have the new Umarex Iconix. So this is going to be one of the more budget friendly PCP rifles that you can get. This one is in 22 cal. So we're just going to jump right into it and see what it all comes with. Then we're going to throw a little Helix on there and just shoot it. We'll shoot it over a chrono. We've got some Hades ready to go and we'll test the accuracy. So you obviously get your gun. First impressions are it's very lightweight. Looks pretty good. I do like that it's a little bit more of a almost a 90-degree grip. It's got the single feed tray there. You get a 10-shot magazine. Oh, look at that. You get two 10-shot magazines. That's nice. A lot of people don't send two mags. Got your fill probe. Looks like extra O-rings and an Allen wrench. Obviously your manual, which we're not even going to read. No, you should read the manual. But yeah, pretty basic. So let's throw a scope on here and see how it shoots. All right guys, we got our mag loaded up. We're shooting the 15 grain Hades and we've got our chronograph set up. I've got it zeroed. So far it's shooting pretty good. It is loud. It has a thread protector and I tried to get it off and it wouldn't come off. So we're just gonna have to roll with it. So we're gonna do a little 5-shot group, 35 yards. See what we can do with the old Iconix. Well, so far, not bad. Shoot about low 900s. All right, we'll bring back that group. That's not bad at all. So we've got a couple zeroing groups and then our final group here on the bottom left after we kind of refined the zero. So that was to get it on paper. These two are kind of refine it, let the barrel get leaded up a little bit. And that was our last 5-shot group that we shot. So that's really good. The paper's not tearing in any direction, so that means the pellets are flying straight. So that's really not bad. It was averaging about 915 FPS. On the box, it says 1030 with lead-free pellets, but you guys know that pellets don't really like to fly at those high speeds, so that's why we didn't shoot lead-free. We don't really want to see 1,000 feet per second plus out of a pellet. So we're shooting the 15 grain Hades. They were probably advertising, they probably got those velocities from like a 7 or 8 grain lead-free pellet to get that fast out of this gun. But the shot count lines up with what is advertised, about 20 to 25 shots. We got a little bit less than 25. We're probably sitting right around 20 shots, staying on the 900s with the 15 grain pellets. That's very promising. This is a great hunting gun. They come in at a great price. Get a nice budget scope on there. This is a little bit of a nicer scope. The Helix line, they're really nice, having a first focal plane, a little bit more magnification, good turrets. But that's a capable little package if you guys want to get into a PCP gun at a very low price. My only gripe with it is the trigger is very heavy. It breaks clean. Like it doesn't have like multiple walls and creep through the break, but it breaks heavy. I would think it's probably around a 9 to 10 pound trigger, which isn't ideal, but that could be good for beginners because you don't want to have a hair trigger for a beginner getting on and just cooking off a ND. But yeah, that's really my only gripe with it. So far, shoots good. We will get back to you if it has the threads for a moderator, because that would be awesome. It is loud, but yeah, not a bad gun for the money. Let us know what you guys think of it, and don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.